Hello everyone, I am Daniel. Before introducing the product, I would like to ask you a question. What kind of refrigerator is a good refrigerator? Think about it. Good appearance, smart, healthy, energy efficient, easy to use? I think these should be the answers most people choose. A good refrigerator must have a good appearance and good material. P503, stunning appearance, 503 large volume, and LED display make your refrigerator more intelligent and easy to use. Coupled with the configuration of the water dispenser, it is too attractive to the user's attention. In particular, this LED display is simple and atmospheric and has various functions, which is clear at a glance. This makes the appearance of the refrigerator look more textured and advanced, as well as anti-fingerprint function. It also has a door opening reminder function. If the door is opened for a long time, the alarm will remind you to close the door, which is more energy saving and environmentally friendly. P503 not only has an amazing appearance, but its freshness function is powerful and healthy. Next, we will focus on 3 very important function points. First, AAT odor cleaning and antibacteria. Second, swing flow. Third, 503 liter max space. First, the full name of AAT is Automatic Ion Release Technology, which is our core patent technology. It can continuously and efficiently release oxygen ions, which makes the distribution of negative oxygen ions more uniform and sufficient, and achieves 360-degree full coverage. Negative ions can quickly absorb bacteria, viruses, and dust, which make them inactive and purify the air. In summary, it has the following 4 advantages. First, antibacterial. Use negative ions to eliminate bacteria and viruses from the environment. Second, net taste. Negative oxygen ion concentration reaches more than 1,000 per cubic centimeter. The ultra-high concentration of negative oxygen ions makes the air cleaner. Third, dust removal. The air inside the refrigerator will become dirty and turbid after being used for a long time, mainly because the dust in it accumulates more and more, and it is often accompanied by some germs and toxic substances as the carrier. However, the negative oxygen ions released by AAT are charged, which means it is easy to aggregate with the floating dust after encountering it in the air, so that it becomes inactive and settles to the ground, thereby purifying the air. Fourth, antioxidant. Air environment rich in negative oxygen ions is more suitable for plant growth, and our refrigerator is like a natural and fresh storage space. Under the action of AAT negative oxygen ions, the content of water and VC of fresh fruits and vegetables is not easy to lose, and the nutrition is not lost. Antibacterial, deodorant, dusting, and antioxidant all in one to keep you healthy and fresh, so you don't have to worry about bacteria and food taste. Second, the swing flow. The swing flow is designed to supply air evenly from left to right through the air outlet built in the refrigerator compartment, so that cold air can be blown all over every corner to prevent the cold air from blowing directly on the food, so as to achieve uniform cooling, freshness, and moisturizing effect. Third, max space not only has the large capacity of 503 liters, but also has the following advantages. First, concave door design. Various sizes of bottle holders are installed on the door to make full use of the space, and it is more convenient to take. Second, shelf space can be adjusted for convenient storage of various sizes of food. Third, refrigerated and frozen scientific partition storage make it easy to store food for the whole family for a week. The above 3 points are the main selling points of the P503. At the same time, P503 has 6 very practical and powerful functions like water dispenser, total no frost, power freeze, power cool, precise temperature control, twin eco inverter, and it is precisely because of these functions that Fresh is more intelligent and brings an excellent user experience. Fourth, water dispenser. We can see below the display screen is the design of a water dispenser. It is mainly composed of an extra large capacity water tank and a safety water valve. You only need to add water into the water tank, and then under the low temperature cooling of the refrigerator, the water dispenser can provide 2 to 8 degrees Celsius healthy cold water at any time, so that one machine can be used for multiple purposes. Fifth, total no frost. Have you ever encountered the situation of freezing and frosting inside the refrigerator at home? And have you ever encountered a situation where the fruit in the refrigerator is frozen because it is close to the liner or back of the refrigerator? The P503 uses an air-cooled mode which blows the cooling into a box through a fan. This makes the cooling capacity in the box uniform and also makes the cooling speed faster and the preservation effect better. And there is no more frost here and no need for manual defrosting. More importantly, items such as fruits and vegetables close to the back panel will no longer be frozen. This is the strawberry refrigerated in the direct cooling refrigerator close to the inner wall. And this is the strawberry refrigerated in the P503 air cooling refrigerator. We can clearly see that the strawberry in the direct cooling refrigerator has been frozen, while the strawberry in the cold refrigerator is still fresh. 6. Power freeze. When you need to fast freeze and refrigerate ingredient, we can turn on the power freeze function on the LED display. When we press the power freeze with one button, it will quickly cool the freezer. This feature is suitable for consumers who need to quickly freeze large quantities of meat and fish from the supermarket. 7th, power cool. Like power freeze, we can turn on the power cool function on the LED display to quickly cool the refrigerator. Compared with traditional refrigerator, it cools faster. This feature is suitable for consumers who need a lot of frozen beer or beverages and other similar scenarios. 8th, precise temperature control. The refrigerator can intelligently adjust the temperature according to the user's storage requirements. Temperature control will be more precise and freshness will last longer. 9th, twin eco converter. So how does that happen? The inverter refrigerator compressor used in the P503, so the speed of the compressor will work in real time according to the temperature in the refrigerator. When the temperature rises, the speed is fast, and when the temperature is low, it runs at a low speed to maintain the temperature. There is no wear and tear caused by the instant starts and stops, so the service life is longer than that of an ordinary refrigerator. In general, P503 inverter refrigerator can achieve more accurate temperature control, lower noise energy saving, and environmental protection, and many other advantages. Okay, finally, let's summarize the introduced feature points. First, AAT, automatic anion releasing technology. Second, swing flow. Third, 503 liters max space. 4, water dispenser. 5th, total no frost. 6th, power freeze. 7th, power cool. 8th, precise temperature control. 9th, twin eco inverter. That's all for the P503. Thanks for watching.